Welcome back, everybody. Let's see if we can see the waterfall today. Is it a waterfall? It's something. I dig it. I am once again on my favorite road. That, well, what can I say? Tent camping, let's get the mic up here so it's not underneath my chin. Tent camping is something I wish I knew if I liked or could even do. I have a hard enough time getting comfortable in a bed, so I could only imagine in a tent where you hear everything. You are laying on the ground or a small air mattress, you know. Would it be enough to cushion my old bones? It's crazy. When I first started riding Can-Am Spider, I don't know, it's 35-ish. Now I'm 50. So, been riding a long time. Old bones, and they're not that old. 50 is not old. I think it's funny. The #1 crossing. That water absolutely looks amazing. It is such a beautiful sight. I'm very curious. Seems like there's a decent amount of water coming down through here today. Haven't had any rain. It's crazy windy, but no rain. See, a ton of people. Got a little boat. Yeah, I can't wait to see how busy this gets. Just floating down the river, man. That would be that'd be a good life, you know. Got a little tent. Got his thing so it don't blow away. It's like I said, it's crazy windy. Like trash cans are blowing all over the place, and looks like some more trees are down. You know, it's the type of wind that if you're on a light motorcycle like my little dual sport, it's gonna blow you absolutely everywhere. But on the Spider, the worst that happens is it kind of grabs your helmet, and you do one of these little with your head. It's not the weekend, but man, people are showing up. Spring breakers, that's what we got. Yeah, I mean, okay, so I get it, tent camping, cool. Maybe this is the restroom. I'm like, where's the restroom? This gotta be the restroom. And maybe the shower house. Do you just jump in the river, bar soap, be done? I don't know. But it would be cool. I wish I knew or wanted to spend the money on it, because I think it would be kind of cool to throw everything on the Spider and take off for a week and a half, you know, and live off the Spider. It'd be difficult, but I think it'd be cool. So today, oh, what is today? The 16th, 18th, 16th, 18th. It's Tuesday. It's March. Yeah, it's one of those days. I was listening to a podcast. I don't know when it came out. It was from the editors of Motorcycle. Oh, turtle. And they were talking about what's considered a motorcycle. Is a Can-Am Spider, is that a motorcycle? Is the Tri-Glide a motorcycle? Is the Slingshot and the Vanderhoff, is that a motorcycle? And they were like, no, Can-Am Spider is not a motorcycle. They're always there. They got to be like full-time, just chilling. And I was like, you know what? I think a Can-Am Spider is a motorcycle, because you have pretty much every single danger you do on a motorcycle. I can't say that a Spider's more stable, but in certain circumstances, it's better. Certain circumstances, it's worse. You know, and I was like, well, that's my opinion. Everybody has their own opinion, and I'm like, I don't care. I have both. I have a 2-wheeler and I have a 3-wheeler. I enjoy them both, all for different things. If that makes sense, you know. So that's my stance on is a Spider a motorcycle? And now, do I classify a Polaris as one? No, because it's got a steering wheel. It's that simple. That's a pump. That's a pump on a mower. So they took a mower and they put a pump on it so they can push it around, push it down here. I wonder where they're pumping the water up to. Maybe they're filling a swimming pool, and that's how they fill the swimming pool every year. Well, hello. All right, there we go. A lot of people are out. I'm telling you. Spiders tell me it's 90 degrees. It is gorgeous. I do love Texas. If you want to know my story really quick, lived in Ohio for 49 years. And there were some pretty major changes. And, you know, went through a divorce and met the love of my life. And left some things behind to start this brand new awesome life in Texas. Oh my goodness, that's lovebirds. What's down there dead? Oh, they're fighting with one another. Can we see? There's something dead down there. That's crazy. How would you like to walk out in your backyard and it be bird-ageddon and they're just trying to eat your face off? So like I said, I moved to San Antonio, remarried a beautiful woman, and now we're in the New Braunfels area, and I absolutely love it. Is it hot down here? Opening Saturday, Sunday, 15 to 16. Nice. So it's not the 16th, it's the 18th. So what happens when you can't see a foot in front of you? Yeah, it is. It's hot. But, you know, like the other day it was 95 degrees. The humidity was 11. I don't think I've ever seen humidity that low ever in my whole entire life. So what that means is when you walk out the door, you're not trying to breathe through a wet towel. And I dig it. So that 95 degrees felt like 85 degrees back in Ohio. It's amazing. Now listen, last summer was my first summer down here. I was informed that it's usually a little bit more humid down here. Now we're gonna find out this year if it is or if it is not. Oh, I've never noticed that. It's like a dam, a little earthen dam. Well, not earthen, it's more like concrete. Hey, how you doing? What? I'm telling you, I'm ready. I am ready to be that person that wakes up at, I don't care if it's 5 in the morning or 10 in the morning. I don't care. Does not bother me. I will go sit in front of my house and drink my cold Diet Mountain Dew and jumpstart my day and not go to work anymore. Just retire and ride and explore everything. I'm ready. I could do it. I wanted to go through here kind of quick because when I go through here kind of slow, it's like a 20-minute video. So yeah, tell me what you think. Can-Am Spider motorcycle, not a motorcycle, or don't care. And then I remembered I really need to change the oil on this thing. It hasn't been many miles, but the time difference, I should smack my fingers. So I need to do that this week. That will be the next how-to video. We're going to be doing the oil change and the tranny filter. Now remember, if you go to the dealership to get that transmission filter, you need to tell them it's a cover, because that's where it's under. If you get it from Le Monster, it's a tranny filter. So it took them like 20 minutes to find it, maybe even 30. And then it's like, oh, it's gonna be a minute, and it was expensive. So I just ordered it through Le Monster and was done. You know what I'm saying? So I need to get that changed out.